Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. My dear students, today our session about respiratory system. So my dear students, about respiratory system, before going to discuss, I want to tell the today's special class about not only theoretically, but also I am going to discuss about the some of the competitive part. Let me tell. So before going to enter, let me tell what is the organs associated in the respiratory system. As we know that the respiratory system organs will start from the nasal cavity and it is going to end with the lungs. Let us list out the what are the organs: nose and nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, right and left, and bronchioles and two lungs. These are the organs belongs to respiratory system. As we know that, so respiratory system we have two kinds of the tracts. The first one is upper respiratory tract and second one is lower respiratory tract. In some exams, in some of the exams, they may ask the what are the different kinds of the respiratory tract. You can list out. There is a two kinds of the respiratory tract. The first one is upper respiratory and second one is lower respiratory. The first one is upper respiratory tract is having three kinds of the organs here: nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx. Whereas the lower respiratory tract is having three kinds of the organs, that is a trachea and bronchi and lungs. So this is about the respiratory tract divisions. My dear students, you must understand the importance of alveoli. So what is the meaning of here alveoli? So here this is a one of the end part of the respiratory system. As we know that it is going to start from here, but the end part of the respiratory system is called as alveoli. What is the main important of this organ? The main important of this one, exchanging of the gases. So exchanging of the gases through semi-permeable membrane. The whatever the membrane which is belongs to this alveolar part, it is going to allow the exchanging of the gases. So carbon dioxide and oxygen, it is going to allowing osmosis diffusion process is going to occur. So that we can see in the part of alveoli. Let us see, as I told you, the competitive exam purpose, this kind of the bits they will ask. In ESI or CHO or railway, whatever the competitive exams are there, so theoretically I am going to explain as well as competitive purpose also it might be useful. The first bit is in which part of the respiratory system the gases exchange takes place. Just now I have discussed about this one. Alveoli is one of the part in the respiratory system which is only takes a place of gases exchanging. Is it? So that is the answer. And second one is which of the following parts are belongs to respiratory system: trachea, diaphragm, lungs, and all of the above. Ultimately, so all of the above will be the answer. So this is the two competitive bits I have discussed today. Next, we will go for respiratory functions in the nose. Within the nose, we have seen the different kinds of the functions are there. In that, the three is a very important function. The first one is warmness. So whatever we are taking mixture of gases from external environment, so the nose, the nasal cavity is going to make it is as a warmness. So that is the main function of nose. And second one is filtering and cleaning. As we know that within the nasal cavity there is a teeny hair particles are there. There is a teeny hair is there. So what is the main important of this hair? It is going to filter from the large particles which is present in the air. So that is a filtering and cleaning. As we know that next function is humidification. What is the meaning of here? Humidification. The warm air is adding with some moisture. That process is called as humidification. The same process is going to take place in the nasal cavity. As we know that within the nasal cavity, not only within the nasal cavity, all the parts of the respiratory system, within that there is a teeny sensitive layer is there. That is the thing is called as mucosa membrane. So what is the meaning of your mucosa membrane? It is a teeny sensitive layer which is going to secreting mucus, moisture. So by adding of this air with the moisture, that will be called as humidification. So this is the main functions of nose and nasal cavity. And one more bit we can see here, which of the following functions by the filtering and keeping mucus clean. So here the answer will be cilia. So cilia is one of the thing which is present in the bronchus. Within the respiratory system, the cilia which is present in the bronchus. So what is the main function of cilia? It is going to filter and cleaning of all the air particles. So this is one of the competitive bit. So this is about today's session. So today I have discussed about what is the meaning of respiratory system and what are the divisions of the respiratory system and what is the function of alveoli and what are the competitive bits. So my dear students, if you want this kind of the videos, please like and share and subscribe. So I will come with another session. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you so much, my dear students.